Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the Learning Network. Are you ready to learn something new? Of course you are. So I have this internet printer here, HP EMV 6000 all-in-one printer. I bought it a few years back. And as I said earlier in one of my videos, I'm a laggard. I should be upgrading to a new printer, but why change something that's really working? But one thing I discovered, this printer only works off of the internet. So one day I decided to just try to connect directly to the printer instead of using the internet. And guess what? I didn't know the passcode. So I decided to venture out and figure out what that is. So I downloaded the HP Smart app off of the Microsoft Windows Store. And of course, once the app is loaded, you can actually activate the printer. So I go over here to where it says printer settings, and I started to explore a little bit. And there you have it. I found some information about my actual printer, the printer name, paper's logo. Of course, it's I have to buy more paper. That's fine. Installation is installed, IP address, and all that fun stuff right there. Just generic stuff, firmware, all that good stuff. But I need to know more information about the network advanced settings, and it's gonna give me this little disclaimer here that your web browser might have a non-secure message. That's okay because this probably doesn't have HTTPS on the interface. So I click OK after I read the message. Always read the message, and then it goes to this main screen, and here we have the Wi-Fi direct information that I was looking for, and there is the passcode. So if I actually just go into this area and it'll load, and then you could go in here and edit the passcode to whatever you want it to be, or different. Oh, actually, you have a few options here. You can go automatic, manual, and advanced, right? Or you could, definitely generate a new passcode for your printer. You could do whatever you want in reference to connecting to Wi-Fi directly. I've already changed my passcode, so that was pretty easy to do. I won't do it again because I've already done it. But it gives you some more information over here. 80211. It gives you the status. Let's see what the status is. It should say online or working, I suppose. Yeah, there it is. Direct connect, direct correct password, all that fun stuff. All right, so that's how you will be able to configure your HP ENVY 6000 all-in-one printer. All right, and by the time you look at the complete part of this video, I probably would have purchased a new printer. Who knows, for my birthday. But anyway, for those of you out there who have this printer, this is how you get to those settings. Make sure you download the HP Smart app, and that'll make things a lot easier for you. All right, well, thanks for watching. See you next time.